Good morning, children. How are you this morning? Hope you all are fine. Today, I am here to start a new chapter from our grammar book, Lesson 7 Being Verbs. The words is, am, are tell us how people or things are now. They are called being verbs. For example, she is a doctor. I am playing. They are my friends. In these sentences, she is, I am, they are shows being verbs. Is and am is used for one person. Are is used for more than one person. Now let's see the use of is, am, are. We use am with I. We use is with he, she, it. And we use are with you, we and they. Now please have a look at these sentences to understand the use of is and am. I am a dancer. He is my best friend. She is a pilot. It is a ball. Shipra is a good girl. The boy is happy. Subject plus is and the plus rest of the sentence shows the use of being verbs in these sentences. Now some more examples are there for you. I am 3 years old. He is a football player. She is having a beautiful doll. It is my favorite doll. Geeta is dancing at the stage. The child is listening music. You will write am with I and is with he, she, it or a singular person. Like Geeta is a name of a girl, a single person, so you write is with her name. The child is, for a single child, we are talking about a single child, so we are writing is with it. Then the rest of the sentence comes. So, subject plus is or am plus the rest of your sentence shows the use of being verbs in these sentences. Now, let's come to the use of are. We are going to school. You are my friend. They are playing outside. Karan and Simi are siblings. The girls are laughing. In the following sentences, you can see we write subject plus are plus the rest of the sentence. We are, you are, they are, Karan and Simi are. The girls are. For plurals, we write are. Girls, it is a group. So, we are writing are. Two people are there, Karan and Simi. So, for more than one person, you write are. We, you, they. Along with we and you and they, you will write are plus rest of the sentence. Except these sentences, I have some more examples for you. You are very naughty. You are. We are having lot of fun at the picnic. With we, I have written are. So, we are. They are writing letter. They are writing. Aman and Raman are enemies. They are enemies. Two person, more than one person. So you will write are in the sentence. The children are going on a school trip. Children, more than one, a group of people, a group of children. So we are writing are for this. Now let's come to the second category. In being verbs, we also use the words was and were tell us how people, animals or things were in the past. Was and were are also called being verbs. So, look at this sentence. It was my first trip. It was. You were in the playground. You were. Was and were are also a part of being words along with is, am, are. But when we write was and were to show the past tense. So whenever you are talking about the past, you will use was along with the given subject. Now have a look at this. I was, he was, she was, it was, Sia was, the child was. For one person, that is I, he, she, it, Sia, the child. When we are talking about a single person, we use was in the past tense. And when we use the subject as you, we, they, Seema and Tia means a plural or a two persons. So we are talking about two persons or the children. So when we are talking about more than one person, we write were. You were, we were, they were, Seema and Tia were, the children were. So are you clear with this? Was and were are used in the past tense and we write was to show a one person, and when we are talking about more than one person, we write were. Now look at the sentences given here. Subject plus was and were or plus the rest of the sentence. So I was eating. He was a teacher. She was hungry. It was a sunny day. The girl was waiting. So in these sentences you can see we have used was to show that this is the sentence talking about the past. So I was, he was, she was, it was, the girl was. When we are talking about the plurals, so we will use were. You were, we were, they were, the girls were. Or if I write more than one name, then also I will use were in the sentence. So you were on the terrace. We were in the car. They were playing tennis. The girls were eating ice cream. Now have a look at some more examples for was. I was standing at the gate yesterday. She was angry last night. He was making scrapbook. It was a rainy day. She was playing here. So in the given sentences, we have used was for a single person, singular noun. I was, she was, he was, it was, she was. Now let's talk about the use of were in the given sentences. Sentence number 6 shows the use of were. You were running at the field. We were preparing food. They were watching movie. Vishal and Rohan were making this poster. The children were going to the party. So in the given sentence you can see we have used were for the plurals. Means more than one person. When we are talking about more than one person, we write were. You were, we were, they were, Vishal and Rohan were, the children were. This was all about your chapter being verbs. Now you will complete your homework, that is complete page number 36 to 40 in your textbook Grammar with a Smile. after referring the given assignment, which I will be posting along with the video. So you can take that and complete it in your book. Keep revising the concept we have discussed today of being verbs and complete the worksheet posted along with the video on an A4 size sheet neatly. That worksheet will be posted and you have to complete it on a A4 size sheet. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.